little safety stars! Welcome to our fire safety quiz. Can you tell what's safe and what's dangerous? Let's find out.
Question number 1. You play with a lighter because it looks fun. Is this safe or dangerous? You have 3 seconds to choose. Answer fast.
3, 2, 1.
Dangerous! Lighters can start fires and cause serious burns. Never play with a lighter. Question 2. You tell an adult when you smell smoke. Is this safe or dangerous? Think carefully.
3, 2, 1.
Correct answer is safe! Great job! If you smell smoke, tell a trusted adult right away. They can check what is wrong and help keep everyone safe. Question 3. You stand too close to a campfire. Think carefully. Is this safe or dangerous?
3, 2, 1.
Correct answer is dangerous! Campfires are hot. Stay behind the safety line and keep a safe distance. Question 4. You leave the building quickly when the fire alarm sounds. Is this safe or dangerous? Quick, think fast.
3, 2, 1.
Great job! Correct answer is safe. When the fire alarm sounds, leave quickly and go to a safe place. Question 5. You try to touch a hot pan by yourself. Think carefully before timer runs out. Is this safe or dangerous?
3, 2, 1.
That's right! It's dangerous! Hot pans can cause burns. Never touch a hot pan by yourself. Ask an adult for help.
Wow! You're doing great! 5 questions down. Ready for the next one? Let's go!
Question 6. You throw paper into a fireplace. Think carefully. Is this safe or dangerous? Come on! Answer before timer runs out.
3, 2, 1.
That's right! It's dangerous! Never put paper in a fireplace. It can make the fire grow quickly. Question 7. You tell an adult if you see a candle burning with no one around. Is this safe or dangerous? Quick, answer fast.
3, 2, 1.
That's right! It's safe! A candle can cause a fire if no one is watching it. Tell an adult right away. Question 8. You put a towel close to the stove. Is this safe or dangerous? Come on! Answer before timer runs
3,
out.
2, 1.
Correct answer is dangerous. Towels can catch fire near a hot stove. Keep them safely away. Question 9. You watch fireworks from far away with an adult. Is this safe or dangerous? Think carefully before timer runs out.
3, 2, 1.
That's right! It's safe! Watching fireworks from far away helps keep you safe from burns and injuries. Question 10. You put toys on top of a heater. Is this safe or dangerous?
3,
Quick, think
2,
fast.
1.
That's right! It's dangerous! Heaters can get very hot. Never put toys or other things on them.
Wow! You did amazing! You are a fire safety star. Remember, stay safe and always ask a grown-up for help. Keep being safe. Bye-bye!